Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these date and peanut butter bars. Let's begin. To get started on a recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a food processor and place in the dates without the stone, then blitz them down until they are much smaller, and it should ball together and look a bit clumpy like this. Don't worry, that's completely fine. You can then go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients, so that is the cocoa powder. Feel free to use whichever one you have to hand. Then add in your ground almonds. The finer these are, the less of a texture you'll have. Don't forget to add in the vanilla, which is the liquid, followed by the golden syrup and the peanut butter. Then blitz this mixture for as long as you need to, but be careful not to overmix it, which is hard to overmix, but it will have an effect at the end result. So blitz together. It might not look like a lot to start with, but once the peanut butter incorporates and all those other ingredients start to come together, you will get this kind of like light brown Play-Doh-y kind of consistency, which is what you're looking for. It should be that kind of pliable consistency. Take a 9x9 inch baking pan which has been lined with some parchment and scoop that mixture in there. You may just need to, actually it's very workable dough, so I place some gloves on and then just spread and level the mixture out as best as I possibly could, but you don't have to do it with your hands. You could use a palette knife or a spatula. As you can tell, I am here just to get rid of some of those fingerprints on there. So just get around and make sure you get as consistent as possible. Then you can place this into the fridge and chill for a good couple of hours. I left mine overnight, but feel free to leave it as long or as short as you need. An hour would be the minimum. Then you can go ahead and cut it up. So simply cut into, fours, then cut those in half, so you should have a lot more portions. These are very rich and indulgent, but in more of a protein way. You can then go ahead and finish them with a piping of peanut butter on top of each in a zigzag formation, or whichever way works best for you. However you want to decorate them, that's completely up to you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.